A massive storm system moving across the U.S. is threatening to unleash tornadoes Friday in the Mississippi Valley, blizzards in the northern plains and dry, windy conditions in Texas and Oklahoma that pose a high risk of wildfires. The National Weather Service is forecasting severe weather across much of the U.S., home to more than 100 million people. Strong winds with gusts of up to 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour, are expected from the Canadian border to Texas. Forecasters said the threat of severe storms would continue into the weekend, with tornadoes and high winds likely on Saturday in parts of New Orleans and Birmingham, Alabama. Several videos circulating on social media showed areas already experiencing severe weather in recent days. Heavy rains could also lead to flash flooding in parts of the East Coast on Sunday. Alabama Governor Kay Ivey declared a preemptive state of emergency on Friday, urging residents across the state to remain vigilant overnight and into the weekend. Experts say it's not unusual to see such extreme weather in March, with storm systems producing heavy snow and blizzards on the cold side and severe thunderstorms and tornadoes on the warm side.